All right, girl, why don't you walk us through? Tell us what you did.
I love this.
All right, so this inspiration is actually called the Unicorn of Summer. And I wanted to give her something a little bit more of a neon color, so whenever she did fade out, it would be a beautiful pastel tone. We did some diagonal lines in there just to kind of be able to get more fluidity going. And that way, doesn't matter which way she parts her hair, she's always gonna get a different color, no matter what she does.
Flip that around so we can turn it, Olivia, go turn around and do what you just did that I saw, that you're running your fingers through that.
Yes, flip it over, girl.
Oh,
Show that
really
root.
Look at that pigment underneath. Oh my God.
So we have like the hidden rainbows going on underneath.
And would you say blending is really easy with the colors that you use?
Yes, I used mostly the pulpriot neons. I love their series. And what I liked about it was that a lot of the colors were very easy to melt into each other. Shows a lot of vibrancy, and it definitely is like, it looks amazing. I mean,
it's
my
really
opinion.
Yeah, no, that's
I like the
awesome.
juxtaposition of colors. It looks really good.
Yeah.
Yes. Like I said, I just want to give her something a little spunky, something different, and definitely play on her fringe. Her fringe was mostly the most important part. That's the only part that I actually used foil for, so we kind of just foiled it forward and color melted into that. Everything else was freehand. Just be your own artist.
And no issues with bleeding?
What's that?
Cold water bleeding? No issues?
No, we rinsed her in absolutely cold water. Like, I wake her up, cold water. And it'll keep that color vibrant in there for you.
She was cold, girl. She was cold.
She did
well,
great.
she's hot now.
I know. Thank you. She's a great model. Thank you, guys.
Beautiful. Thank you, Monica and Olivia.
Thank you.
You did a great job.